Your feminine energy is extremely powerful and magnetic. The more you tap into and heal your divine feminine, the more you are able to restore balance in your small corner of the world. Believe it or not, you please God this way because it's God's plan to restore femininity here on the planet. Femininity, like I said in part 1, has been demonized and suppressed by low vibrational entities who came here a long time ago in order to take over the planet. But the only way that they could do that is by suppressing the feminine energy and demonizing it. Okay, so by you tapping into this energy, you are going to attract a lot of people toward you who will try to suppress you and demonize you by calling you a witch and everything in the book that people have been programmed to call women who tap into their feminine energy in order to suppress us and make us hide in the shadows. Okay, this is a different time and God is trying to restore balance here on the planet. So you will be attacked spiritually by women who are refusing to tap into their divine feminine. And in order for them to do this, they have to heal, and they refuse to heal. So they will try to attack you spiritually, okay? Because they are threatened by your boldness and your ability to tap into this energy so effortlessly. But it's not effortless. You are doing the work and they refuse to do the work. So you're going to have to protect yourself from them. And masculine energies who are threatened by femininity because they feel like it takes the light away from, or the shine away from their masculinity, okay? They will try to suppress you as well. You're going to have to protect your energy with your magic, your spiritual baths, etc., okay? And if you want to take extra precaution to protect your energy, you can tap into that Medusa energy in order to protect yourself. You're going to see me wear this necklace a lot, okay? Because it really does protect me from all kinds of envy, hate, and jealousy. All right, go back and watch my videos. You're going to see me wear this necklace a lot. There's a reason why I wear it every day. It's because it protects my energy. Be tapping into that Medusa energy. It's protecting my energy. Okay, if you would like it, it's in a TikTok shop down below. The more you tap into your femininity, see, the devil don't even want me to get my words out. Okay, it's the devil that is suppressing the feminine energy here on the planet. The more you tap into this energy, the more magnetic you become, and the more easy it is to be around you. People will feel safe around you because you're going to become more playful and, magnetic, what I'm saying, and more attractive, believe it or not. I also feel like in order to tap into your feminine energy, you also have to heal your inner child, and I feel like that is exactly what you're being called to do. Okay, that is exactly what it is that you are doing. Okay, this is the reason why you are more confident and more magnetic and beautiful than you were before. You were always beautiful, but by you healing yourself and tapping into your divine feminine, you are becoming even more attractive. Okay, but you got to understand that by you being a healer, you're going to attract a lot of people that need healing, but they're going to refuse your healing abilities. Instead, they will try to suppress it and demonize it. That's the reason why it's going to be so important for you to protect your energy, because people are not going to know how to handle it. Okay, people are threatened by confident, secure, feminine women. All right, because you know how to get what you want. You're going to be able to use this energy to get what it is that you want. Okay, you are a siren and you're tapping into that siren energy. Mermaids might be of significance to you, or you could have a strong connection to, princesses and like Disney movies and stuff like that. You were probably royalty in a previous lifetime, and it's like your soul is trying to restore your life. You know what I'm saying? Your soul is trying to restore that energy so that you can tap back into that energy and claim what is yours. Okay, basically the universe and your soul, your higher self, is trying to help you to sit on your throne, and once you sit on that throne, there is no getting off of it. All right, you are divinely protected by Lilith and the universe. Keep up the good work. Okay, don't let these people suppress you. Don't let them demonize you. Continue to be who you are.